Right then, I hope you're all doing well. In terms of making foods at home, nothing better than making things like sauerkraut and fermented foods and actually learning the process yourself. When you make things at home, you're using less processed ingredients. Sauerkraut is really well known in Poland and Germany, and it's a very ancient fermentation process that they've done to preserve foods. Recently discovered is actually really helps your gut health in terms of good bacteria that is already in your gut. So prebiotics is the fertilizer that's enhancing the growth, but probiotics is adding good bacteria to your gut. So really good foods to have, especially during such times to boost your immune system. So I've simply got this recipe from the website, and it's an immune boosting sauerkraut, and it uses just some really good ingredients. And because I've got some horseradish in, I wanted to find a recipe that really used some of the ingredients that I've got in. And you can pretty much use anything. You can use your own herbs and spices, you can use red chilies. Just do be careful, because during the fermentation process those flavors are really enhanced. What we're going to use here, you need a red cabbage, white cabbage as well, horseradish, fresh ginger, parsley, ground pepper. But the essential ingredient here is the salt, and try to use some good quality sea salt for this. First part is we're going to slice up the red cabbage, we're going to add the sea salt, we're going to massage that in, and we're going to leave that just to settle for an hour so it just draws out those fluids, what we call an osmosis process. And then here we have it. I've actually managed to pack this all into one. So it is deceiving. Just let the salt do the work, really let the juices draw out and the compounds start breaking down. Make sure that you push it down as far as you can and make sure the fluids come up and try and submerge the cabbage and the ingredients. And then here we have it. This is absolutely brilliant. Really can't wait to try this. It's the immune boosting sauerkraut. So please check out my other playlist with regards to flavour bombs, pickles, condiments and sauces. Really good section this. Boost those flavours, but also your immune system and things, the health properties of fermented foods, really good. Really hope you're enjoying this show. Please do subscribe. Lots of love and passion going into this show. Stay safe, stay healthy, enjoy.